Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. Verify Mac OS and iOS meet requirements and sign into the same Apple ID. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and keep Wi-Fi or a cable available so pairing stays stable. On your Mac Open System settings, go to Accessibility, then Switch Control. Turn Switch Control on and choose the option to connect to an iPhone. You're not done yet. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and nearby so the pairing prompt appears immediately. Now pair the devices and map your switches so control works predictably. When the iPhone prompt appears, accept it and confirm trust on both devices so the connection is established. Next, on the Mac, assign which inputs act as switches. Use keys, an external switch, or trackpad gestures. This determines how you navigate on the iPhone. Adjust scanning style, auto scan timing, and tap behavior to suit your speed. These settings control how actions are selected and why they feel fast or sluggish. You can now operate the iPhone from the Mac. Use the switch control menu to move focus, perform taps, swipes, and type with the on-screen keyboard. When finished, stop the session from the Mac accessibility pane or from the iPhone control center to free the device. If things go wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active, restart both devices, and repair if needed. If problems persist, reset switch control settings and rebuild your switch mappings to eliminate configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.